Open a new Keynote presentation. Go to Document and change the slide size to Custom Slide Size. Set it to 1080 by 1080p. Drag the video you wish to edit into Keynote and adjust it as you wish to fit into the square. Personally, I move it around till it lands perfectly in the center of the square. You can add text to the black portions of the video if you wish. When you are done, export the presentation as a movie. Set go to next slide after to 0 seconds. You can leave resolution as 1080p. Save the video. Open the new square video in QuickTime to preview it. It should be a 1080p by 1080p square video. The quality of the video will be lower than the original though. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Do have a nice day guys. Bye.